Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saira Ajmal and I am from DSPT. Today my presentation topic is animal feed chemistry. Animal feed. Animal feed is the food given to domestic animals, especially livestock, in the course of animal husbandry. Types. There are two types of animal feed: fodder, forage. Fodder. Fodder, also called provender, is any agriculture foodstuff used specially to feed domesticated livestock such as cattle, rabbits, sheep, horses, chicken, and pigs. Fodder include hay, straw, silage, compressed and pelleted feeds, oil and mixed ratios, and sporadic grains and legumes. Fodder is cut from plant and then carried to animals. Forage. Forage is a food for animals, especially when taken by browsing or grazing. The grass serves as a forage for livestock. Animal feed chemistry. Animal feed chemistry is the study of chemical processes and interaction of all biological and non-biological components of foods by the determination of both major and minor components of food, especially nutrients and non-nutrient bioactive compounds. It is mainly concerned about nutritional chemistry of food, additives, contaminants, and other ergochemical, together with their metabolism, toxicology, chemical form in food, nutrients, bioavailability, and nutritional status. Feed chemistry ratio. The amount and kind of food given to animal on daily basis is called ratio. Function of ration. Maintenance, growth, production, work. Classification of feedstock. Classification of feedstuffs: dry, refuges and forages, range, pasture, green forages, slags feed with 18% crude fiber and are considered refuges. Energy feedstuffs contain less than 18% crude fiber and greater than 20% crude protein. Protein supplements contain smaller than 18% crude fiber and greater than 20% crude protein. Mineral supplements, vitamin supplements, non-nutritional additives. What is nutrient? Any feed constituent, group of feed constituent, or synthetically derived compounds of the same general chemical composition that aids in the support of animal life. Classification of nutrients. Classes of nutrients contain water, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, macrominerals, vitamins, fats, locals. Nutrients are made up of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sodium, chlorine, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, cobalt, copper, fluorine, iodine, iron, and manganese. Water. Least expensive nutrient but often time lacking. Most abundant nutrient in the animal's body. Deficiency can cause death faster than other deficiencies. Function: transportation of nutrients and excretions, animal chemical reactions, body temperature regulation, maintains shape of body cells, lubricates and cushions joint and organs. Sources of water: drinking, moistures in feed, metabolic water derived from oxidation, loses urine, feces, respiration, oxygen in and carbon dioxide and water out, perspiration. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen, include sugar, starches, cellulose, and other simple to complex. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen make up 75% of the plant-derived weight and represent largest part of animal food supply. Formed by photosynthesis. Carbohydrate sources. Sources include grains that are high starch, low fiber, seed code. Porridge fiber, high fiber, low starch, milk lactose. Cow's milk is a 5% lactose, which is 40% of the solid in the milk. Function: general heat to maintain body temperature, fuel metabolic reactions, build block for other nutrients, energy stored in animal in the form of fats. Fats. Chemical composition of fats: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Insoluble in water, unit of fat has 2.25 more energy than unit of carbohydrates. Structure of fats include triglyceride, glycerol, and three fatty acids. Why are fats added to animal feed? To increase energy density, decrease dust in feeds as a binder in pellet, pellets, taste for non-ruminant diets needed in cat's diet. Function of fats. Function of fats store energy, protect organs, insulate, energy source in food, essential fatty acids needed for prostaglandin production, fat soluble vitamins found in fat, cholesterol, a lipid, is a precursor for vitamin D and sex hormones. Protein. Protein chemical composition carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and phosphorus. Protein is the nutrient in highest concentration in muscles, tissues of animal made up of sequence of amino acids. Function of proteins contain it is a basic structure unit of animal collagen, mostly found in fiber tissues such as tendon, ligaments, and skin, and also abundant in cornea, cartilage, bone, blood vessels, the gut, and invertebral disc. Elastin, blood proteins, hemoglobin is the polypeptide plus heme, uh, keratin proteins that is in skin, hair, feathers, con- contractile proteins that is in muscles. Proteins used as energy. Protein consumed in excess of animals' daily requirement is the broken down by protease into amino acid. Amino acids are deanimated and the carbon skeletons are used as an energy source. Advantages study of chemical processes and interactions of all biological and non-biological components of food by the determination of both major minor components of food, especially nutrients and non-nutrient bioactive compounds. It is mainly concerned about nutritional chemistry of food, additives, contaminants, and other ergochemicals, together with their metabolism, toxicology, chemical forms in food, nutrients bioavailability, and nutritional status. Nutrients. Animal feed are specially designed to provide all the vital nutrients to animals so that their body function well and their health remains in great condition. This not only keep them away from diseases. Advantages and disadvantages of wheat. Wheat is a good source of energy. It contains about 3200 kilocalories per kg and 14% crude protein. It is an excellent source of vitamin E. But there is a disadvantages. It is high non-starch polysaccharides contents resulting in intestinal digestive viscosity problems. It has higher fiber content which make it difficult to break down by chickens. Advantages and disadvantages of sorghum. Sorghum is another source of energy in animal feed. It has close comparable energy to maize with a crude protein 10% and energy 3300 kilocalories per kg. Disadvantages. The main disadvantages of sorghum is that dot sorghum contains tannin, which is an anti-nutritional factor that lowers protein and carbohydrates. Advantages and disadvantages of rice bran. Rice bran commonly used as energy gradient in animal feed. Disadvantages. The main disadvantages of rice bran is that rice bran has higher fiber. It contains fatty acid. Rice has a high degree of rancidity. Impact of animal feed on humans. Ingredients like bacteria, antibiotic resistance, infection proteins, arsenicals, mycotoxins, and dioxins. Example of bacteria Escherichia coli, causative agent of bovine spongiforms, encephalopathy, Roxanne aflatoxins, polychlorinated dibenzo-p-dioxins. An impact on humans like bacterial infection, antibiotic resistance infection, and increase in cancer risk, increase in cancer, non-cancer risk, etc. This is all about my topic. Thank you so much.